Did you hear about the girl who putting honey on her face every single day? She saw on TikTok that natural honey can do wonders for your skin and decided to try it. She threw away all her creams, cleansers, and toners and kept only a jar of honey from Walmart. The first week her skin was just adjusting. Nothing special. It looked pretty normal. But then things got interesting. Her acne started disappearing one by one. Her skin became smooth with this natural glow, not oily but healthy like it was lit from within. Girls at school got jealous and kept asking what her secret was. She just smiled and said, "Regular honey. This story is real. Just search girls honey face mask." At first her friends didn't believe her, so she showed them the jar. That same evening, the whole group was sitting at her house with jars of honey, spreading it all over their faces. Her mom walked into the room, saw 5 girls with golden faces, and just quietly closed the door. The next day, half the class showed up with suspiciously shiny skin. The principal called them all into the office, looked at them for a long moment, and said if this happened again, they'd have to stay home until they came back looking normal. Sometimes the best beauty product costs $3 and sits on your kitchen shelf.